Guys, your liver's a war zone, and you're fueling the enemy. Sodas, fried chicken, and sugary cereals are literally turning your liver into a grease trap. 1 in 4 people have fatty liver disease and don't even know it. But guess what? I'm about to drop a 7-day liver reset so intense it'll make your cells panic and your liver thank you. Sugary drinks? Poison. Swap for black coffee or tea. Fried foods? If it's fried, you're dying. Use an air fryer with avocado oil. Ultra-processed carbs? Serial killers. Switch to eggs or oatmeal. Master the 12-hour dry fast. No food, no water from sunrise to sunset. Sounds crazy? 1 day of dry fasting equals 3 days of water fasting. Your cells will literally eat their own toxins. Do this for 3 days to nuke liver fat. Eat the 3 Bs. Broccoli sprouts, 50 gigs more detox power than adult broccoli. Berries, blueberries and blackberries equal inflammation, napalm. Beets, turmeric, thin bile and torch toxins. That 50 spice, it's a drain unclogger for your liver. The secret weapon. Even with this plan, modern life's a toxin buffet. That's where Live Pure comes in. Milk thistle, choline, and probiotics attack fat cells and double glutathione. Your liver's detox army. 28% less fat in 14 days, or your money back. Final challenge. Do this for 7 days, and I'll pay you $10,000 if you don't feel like a new person. Dry fast 12 hours daily. Eat the 3 Bs. Grab Live Pure before it's sold out. Comment "I'm in" and tag a friend who needs this. First 100 people to share their results get a shout out and maybe a surprise from me. Your liver's begging for this. Hit the link below or suffer the consequences.